Do this. Find the HCF and LCM of the following given pair of numbers by prime factorization method. Find the HCF and LCM of the following pair of numbers by prime factorization method. Numbers 120, 90. Now class 10th. Do this. Class 10. Do this. Page number 8. Class 10. Do this. Page number 8. Find the HCF and LCM of the following pair of numbers. Find the HCF and LCM of the following pair of numbers by prime factorization method. First one 120 and 90. Second one 50 and 60. And third one is 37, 49. Now answer. First one. Factors of 120. Factors of 120. How can we factorize? 2 60s are, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore 2 to the power of 3. 2 is 3 times, no? So 3 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 1. Okay. Now factors of 90. Factors of 90. What are those? Factors 90. 2 45s are 90. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This can be written as 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 2 because 3 is 2 times. Now 5 to the power of 1. HCF of highest common factor of 120 and 90. So we have to observe the common factors among these. What is that? 2 to the power of 1. That is the lowest common factor. Now 3 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 1. So it is equal to 2 3s are 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30. This is the HCF. Now LCM of 120 and 90. LCM of 120 and 90. LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple. So 2 to the power of 3, highest power. Now 3 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 1. So we have 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 and 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9 and 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. So 8 9s are 72 into 5. So what is 72 into 5? 72 into 5 is equal to 360. So this is the LCM of 120 and 90. Okay. Now second question. What is the second question? Find the HCF and LCM of 50 and 60. So for that we have to find the prime factors of 50. What are the prime factors? 2 25s are, 5 5s are 25. So 2 into 5 into 5. This can be written as 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 2. And prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. What are those? 2 30s are 60. Again 2 15s are 30. Again 3 5s are 15. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So therefore 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 1. So here if you observe the common factors and okay, if you observe the common factors, So HCF of 50 and 60. HCF of 50 and 60 is equal to, so observe the common factors. What are those? 2, both are the factors. So what is the smallest factor? 2 to the power of 1. And now 3 is not common factor, but 5 is the common factor on both 60 and 50. So 5 to the power of 1 is the another common factor, that is least power. So 2 5s are 10. 10 is the HCF of 50 and 60. Now LCM of 50 and 60. LCM of 50 and 60. Now take 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 1, and 5 is a common factor. So 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2. Now 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, and 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3, and 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 25. So 4 3s are 12 into 25. Now what is 12 into 25? Is nothing but 300. So 300 is the HCF of 50 and 60. Okay. Now go for the last one. Prime factors of 37. Prime factors of 37. So it is a prime number. It has only one factor, that is 37. Okay. Now prime factors of 49. So 49 can be written as 7 sevens of 49. So therefore 7 into 7. So 7 to the power of 2. Is there any common factor in it? No, there is no common factor among 37 and 49. So therefore HCF of 37 and 49 is nothing but 1. So 1 is the only common factor among these two numbers. So 1 is the HCF. Highest common factor of 37 and 49 is 1. Now LCM of 37 and 49. So LCM of 37 and 49 is nothing but 37 into 7 square. So 37 into 49. 7 square is 49. So how much it is? You multiply 37 into 49. How much you get? In 7 is 63. 3 here, 6 there. 9 3 is 27. 27 33. Okay. Now 4 7 are 28. 8 here, 2 here, and 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14. Now add this one. 3 11. 1 here, 1 there. Now 8 1. Now 18 13. So 18 and 13 is the LCM. And